Hello guys, pag-aralan natin tong dalawa na to, okay? Mag-aral tayo ng English, tatagalugin ko para maintindihan po ninyo, okay? Itong lesson na to ay para sa mga beginner, okay? Yung pag-aaral daw ng English ay katulad ng math, may formula, okay? Ito yung formula natin or rules, okay? Na dapat nating tandaan. For example, ito, present continuous tense, ang formula niya or rules niya is or am or are plus ing form of the verb, okay? Yung is at saka or are, ito yung tinatawag na auxiliary verb, okay? Auxiliary. Ito yung pandugtong, okay? Auxiliary verb to, okay? Auxiliary verb. Okay? Is, am, or are. Okay? Para sa singular, ito yon, is or am. Okay? Ito naman para sa plural. Okay? Pag plural siya, are naman. Okay? Itong present continuous tense na to, ginagamit po natin to on time of speaking. Okay? Sa panahon na ikaw ay nagsasalita, nangyayari yung isang action. Halimbawa, ngayon, anong ginagawa mo ngayon? Na kumakain ka ba? Oh. So, sasabihin mo sa sarili mo, I am eating now. Kaya, nanonood ka ba ngayon? Oh. Sasabihin mo, I am watching now. Okay? Pag siya naman, she is watching television. Okay? Ngayon yon, yung ngayon na nagsasalita ka on time of speaking. Okay? May mga palatandaan kung present continuous ba yung gagamitin natin. For example, ito, today, ngayon, now, tsaka, right now or now. Okay? So, para masanay tayong mag-English, magko-conjugate tayo. Okay, apply natin yung rules or yung formula, okay? So, ang gagamitin ko ay red para makita ninyo, okay? Paano tayo magko-conjugate? Ito yung pronouns, okay? So, ang gagamitin natin na verb is go. Go, okay? So, dapat dalawa pala to. Okay? He is, he is, she is, it is, yun lang muna, okay? Tapos, plus, ing form of the verb. Okay, go, diba? So, he is going. Kikita niyo po ba? She is going. It is going. Okay? I am. Okay? Am. Kasi present continuous yan. I am going. Okay? I am. We are going. Okay? They are going. Okay? Halimbawa, he is going to the mall. She is going to the mall. It is going to the mall. I am going to the mall. We are going to the mall. They are going to the mall. Now. Okay? Next. So, gawa tayo ng sentences. Okay? Pupunta raw sa school. So, ito yung gagamitin natin yung go. Okay? So, parehas lang po yan, ha? He, she, or it. He, she, or it. Ano yan? Singular. Okay? Pag singular daw, gagamit ka ng is. Okay? Is plus ing form of the verb, going. Okay? She is going to school today. Okay? Hindi all the time naman gagamit ka ng pronoun. Pwede kang gumamit ng noun. For example, ay pangalan pala. Peter is going to school today. So, ito gagamitin mo. Peter. O kaya, Veronica. Okay? Veronica is going to school today. Okay? Peter and John are going to school today. Okay? So, dito na tayo sa plural. Okay? Plural niya, dito muna tayo sa I. Okay? I am going to school today. Okay? Ano pa? We are going to school today. Okay? Day naman. Papalitan mo lang. They are going to school today. Next, number 2 na. Gagamit tayo ng sleep. Okay? Sleep. She or he or it. Okay? Yan yung singular. Okay? She, he, or it is sleeping right now. Okay? Sino yung natutulog ngayon? She. Okay? Or he or it. Bawa yung verb. It is sleeping right now. Okay? Next. Another conjugation. I am sleeping right now. Okay? Please don't disturb me because I am sleeping right now. Next. We are. So, kung ang subject mo ay we are sleeping right now. Okay? Next. They. Pag sila naman, okay? They are sleeping right now. Okay? Hindi pwedeng they is sleeping right now. Dapat they are. Ayan, yung conjugation natin kasi plural siya. Okay? Hindi rin pwedeng they are sleep right now. Okay? They are sleeping right now. Kasi ito yung palatandaan na right now is in time of speaking. Tapos may auxiliary verbs pa. Okay? So, next is call. Okay? Gamitin natin sa sentences yan. Calling now. So, sino yung tumatawag ngayon? Gagamit tayo ng he, she, or it. Okay? It. Tapos is. Tapos calling. Yun na yun. Calling now. Yan. He or she or it is calling now. Okay? He is calling now. She is calling now. It is calling now. Okay? So, ay naman gagamitin natin. I am calling now. Okay? We. Okay? Automatic. Pag we, plural siya. We are calling now. Okay? Next. They naman. They are calling now. Okay? So, ito yung on time of speaking. Gagamit ka ng present continuous tense. Pag sinabing continuous, continue pa rin yung action. Okay? Hindi pa tapos. At saka on time of speaking. Pag sinabing continuous, dapat may ing. Tapos ito yung may formula siya. Okay? May auxiliary. Ito yung mga, pag nakita po natin yung mga auxiliary verbs ito. Are, or is, am. Automatic, may ing form yung verb. Okay? Hindi pwedeng, they are call now. No. Kasi meron siyang auxiliary ng are. Okay? She is call now. Or she is calls now. No, it's not. Right? She is calling right now. Okay? Kasi meron siyang auxiliary. Okay? Pag nakita natin yung mga auxiliary verb na to, is am or are, automatic mayroong ing form yung verb. Okay? So, yan yung on time of speaking. Okay? Palatandaan pa, bukod dito sa now. Now, right now, today, now. Pwede rin yung nowadays. Okay? Lately. Nowadays, ano pa? As of now. Now, yan. Okay? Pag nakita niyo yung mga kataga na to, ang ibig sabihin, on time of speaking yung gagamitin mo. Okay? Present continuous tense. O, next. Dito na tayo sa past continuous tense. Pag sinabing past, tapos na. Pero, continuous pa rin yung verb. Okay? So, ito yung formula, okay? Pag singular was, ang gagamitin. Pag plural naman is were, plus ing form of the verb, okay? Ang tawag po dito, tulad ng sabi ko, was or were, tawag dyan ay auxiliary, okay? Auxiliary verbs. Pag nakikita po kayo ng auxiliary verbs, Tapos, automatic, yung verb na gagamitin nyo, ang kasunod may ing na. Okay? Kaya lang, past continuous tense. Ang palatandaan, pag past continuous tense, may salitang when. Ito yan. Teka. When. Okay? Yan. When. Okay? Nangyari yung isang event, pero merong another action na hindi pa tapos. Kaya, past continuous tense. Okay? Ito, when John called, ibig sabihin, tumawag si John. Pero bago siya tumawag, ay meron pang event na hindi pa natatapos. Okay? So, bago natin gawin to, tong sentence na to, mag-conjugate muna tayo. Okay? Para masanay po tayo sa English. Okay? So, paano tayo mag-conjugate? Gamitin natin tong go. Okay? Tapos, ang auxiliary niya, past na, was or were. Okay? Ito yung singular, okay? Ito mga singular to, okay? Kasama yung I, singular din. So, was. Pag singular, was, gagamitin. Okay? Na auxiliary verb. Was. I was. Hindi I were, ah. Yung were, ginagamit lang yung I at saka were. May sentence na ganito, if I were you. Kung ako ikaw. Okay? Pero, yun lang yun. Madalas yung I is singular siya eh. Kaya was gagamitin. Okay? Next. Tapos, sabi, plus ing form of the verb. Ano ba yung verb natin? Is go. Okay? He was going. She was going. It was going. Okay? I was going. Hindi pwedeng I was gawa pag sinabing was. Okay, ito na, we were. We were. Kasi ano siya, plural. Kaya going. Okay? We were going. Next. So, pag singular siya, ito mga singular was ang gagamitin. Plus ing form of the verb. Okay? Kasama to sa singular yung I. Tapos, were naman pag plural plus ing form of the verb. Yan yung past continuous tense. Okay? Yan yung formula po niya na dapat nating tandaan. Okay? Meron siyang auxiliary. Ito. Mga auxiliary verb yan. Automatic, pag may auxiliary kayo nakikita, ang kasunod na verb ay ing. Hindi pwedeng he was go. O kaya he was goes. No, automatic mayroon siyang ing. Okay? Titingnan nyo talaga kung may auxiliary verbs. Okay? So, gawa na tayo ng sentences. Okay? Diba, going, nung ano natin, going. Okay? Going. So, itong gagamitin natin. Okay? He was going to school when John called. Okay? Papunta na siya sa school nang tumawag si John. Okay? Pwede rin tong gamitin she. Okay? Okay? She was going to school when John called. Okay? Pag babae. Okay, ano naman? I, gamitin natin. Ito, kailangan matuto kayong mag-conjugate para hindi kayo magkamali ng wrong grammar. Okay? I was going to school when John called. Okay? Next. Palitan naman natin tong pronoun. Gawin natin plural, okay? Plural din dapat tong auxiliary. Okay? We was or we were? We were, okay? Plus ing form. We were going to school when John called. Okay? Next. Ito na, they were. Okay? Kasi plural siya eh. Kaya were. Okay? They were going to school when John called. Okay? Tindihan ba? Next, dito na tayo. So, alimbawa, they. So, mauna muna tayo sa they. Okay? They were. Anong verb gagamitin natin? Ito naman, sleep. Okay? They were sleeping. Okay? When Veronica came. Okay? Sila ay natutulog nang dumating si Veronica. Okay? They were sleeping when Veronica came. Next. We were. Pagkasama ka, we. Okay? So, plural siya. Okay? We were sleeping when Veronica came. Nang dumating si Veronica, tayo ay natutulog. Okay? We were sleeping when Veronica came. Pwede ring. Ito, gagamitin natin singular. Okay? Singular. She, okay, she is sleeping when Veronica came. Okay? Pag lalaki naman, he. So, papalitan mo lang siya ng he.